guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode. I am TFI, the Finance Intel, and basically on this channel, I go out there, I do the research, and I come back to show you the numerous ways by which you can leverage online platforms in order to make money online. And on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a website that I discovered. And if you want to be able to make some cool bucks on the go, then definitely this video is for you. Now, though this website may not be able to make you a billionaire overnight, but if you need some extra cash to be able to get some treats for yourself, why not stick around and let me show you how. Now, this particular website is one that will pay you for doing some tasks. So the way this website is actually designed, it is designed such that when businesses go to this particular website and put up their businesses for their attention at a certain fee. Now, you are going to be part of the people that are going to be doing those tasks that are already advertised by businesses for the audience that they need. You're going to be carrying out those tasks and you are going to get paid. And this particular website literally pays, and you can see it's very evident from their site, and you can see usernames and how much they have earned, and you can see the amount of money. Yeah, though it might look small, but if you can actually make this amount daily without even doing something that will cost you a lot of time or will cost you a lot of energy, then it doesn't actually hurt to try. And another beautiful thing I love about this is that it pays directly to your bank account with a minimal withdrawal amount of just 150 Naira. Now, definitely, just like all other websites, the first thing you want to do is create an account. Now, once you have created an account, it is going to bring you to your dashboard, and you are not going to, have any balance because, of course, you are new to the platform. But there's something they do every single day that you log in, you get 200 points, and those points eventually can actually be converted into Naira and you will get paid, or you can cash it out to your bank account directly. Now, first of all, when you actually create an account, you would need to go into your email to verify your account. So you need to do your email verification in order to get verified. For the contest, well, the thing about this contest is that they put out contests on the platform. Is just like from the word contest, like a little competition. And though these contests are not usually the same every single time, you can see they all have a time frame by which once this time elapses, the contest will close. Now, what you want to do is you want to join all the contests so that you can have a higher chance of getting picked. You want to follow the rules to the contest so that you can actually get chance of getting picked. For example, you can see monthly referral contest. So you want to refer people. You see bi-weekly task content, meaning people who have done a lot of tasks every 2 weeks. They get to be at the top of the ladder and they get to win insiders contest. Now you see weekly, daily login contest. Just like I told you, when you log in daily on this platform, you get 200 points. So when you continually log in on this platform, you are going to accumulate a lot of points, and the more devoted you are, the more you stand a chance to win. So if you join now, you click join now, you'll be taken to this place where you can see the winners, or those that are literally at the top. You can see all their usernames, you can see the points they've earned, and you can see the rewards that they are going to get. Now, under challenges, you can simply complete this in order to earn money by finishing tasks. And all you need to do is you can see basically refer 10 people and claim your reward. Now, this particular website, when you refer people, you actually get a percentage of your referrals earning. So when you refer people, you get a percentage of your referrals earnings. And you can see if you refer 10 people, you would claim this reward. There's also time war, where if you complete all this process, or if you complete what they've asked you to do, then you are going to be able to claim all this reward, which is also part of the earning process, which you want to leverage on. I suggest you try it all. And honestly, if you are doing this and you're actually committed and devoted to it, you would notice that you're actually making some reasonable money daily for literally doing next to nothing. Now, the next one you want to go to is you can actually go to referrals. And just like I already stated before, you can refer and you can earn. So if you refer, your referral plans are going to drop here. And once your referrals start earning, you're going to see your amount reflecting here. And this is where you pick up your referral link. You see, you can see it stated here that you earn up to 20% of all your referral earnings and deposits. So this is actually beautiful. So if somebody goes and someone is making 4,000 daily and you refer 3 people who are making 4,000 daily, then that is you making a tangible money without you even doing anything. Another way is paid to click. So under this paid to click, you are literally carrying out tasks. All these are all tasks, but they have been categorized under different names based on what these businesses are trying to achieve. Now, for this is basically clicking the links or doing what you are asked to do, the kind of tasks. For example, you can see, click the link to enter your complete correct information and complete the survey. And the reward for this is 4 Naira. So you want to view that and see the full instruction about this particular task. Now, the next one is under offer walls. And offer walls, it contains a lot. For example, these time walls are all about surveys. You see surveys here, and you can see offer walls. Offer walls where you can either play games and get paid, watch ads and get paid. Surveys where you get to answer just simple questions and you get paid. And aside the offer walls, you can also view blogs, you can watch videos, you can answer quiz, you can go to job and offers. Now, these ones you may not always or often get tasks under them. But this is why you need to log in daily, because you never can tell where these tasks will come up. And the more committed you are, the more you would see much more tangible tasks with reasonable price come to you. Now to the goodie part on how you can actually withdraw this. You want to go to withdrawal. Another withdrawal, you can either withdraw directly to any Nigerian bank, whatever bank you're using, with a withdrawal amount of 150 Naira only. Amazing, right? Or if it is crypto that you want to do, you can also withdraw it with a minimum withdrawal amount of also 150. And the thing about this is I've actually gone to check the reviews, and this is literally legit. This is a site I discovered, but because, in TFI, there is no gatekeeping, I literally had to come here and share with you. Now, the name of this website is Payroute, and you can easily access it by going to payroute.online. And it's just easy to access. If you found this video helpful for you to go out there and make some extra bucks for yourself, then why not smash the like button? Do want to give this video a thumbs up. Do want to leave a comment if you have gone to check out the website. And also do want to subscribe for this channel. I'll show you all the ways. Stay tuned and bye, guys.